Good morning, students. How are you today all? I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, today we are going to see term 2 exercise 1.1 continuation. Okay, let's see now. In exercise 1.1 we have completed up to 10 sums. Okay, so now we are going to see the question number 11. Find the prime factorization of each number by factor tree method and division method. Okay, let's see this. Okay, see the first question, factor tree method for the number 60. Okay, first we take the number 60 in the box. Okay, so next this number comes in two tables. So first we take the numbers as prime numbers. Okay, so 2 table, 3 table, 5th table, okay, like that. So here the 60, number 60 comes in 2 table also. So I am taking the number 2. Okay, in 2 table how many times comes number 60? 30 times. Okay, 30 into 2, 60. So next the 30. So box the 30. Okay, the 30 also comes in 2 table. How many times? 15 times. 15 twos are 30. So next the 15 will be comes in 3 table. Okay, how many times? 5 threes are 15. So here up to 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Okay, here after the numbers comes in the as the table itself, isn't it? So we stop here. So the numbers, these are the factors of number 60, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so we take and write these numbers. Okay, so next this is called the factor tree method. So next we are going to see the division method. Okay, division method is nothing but it's an LCM method. Okay, so first we take the number 60 and take the number 2 table. 32s are 60. So next again we put the 15 twos are 30. Okay, next 15 comes in 3 table. 5 threes are 15. So finally we get the number 5. So again in take the 5 table, 1 5 is 5. Okay, so therefore finally we get the factors are 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Don't write the number 1 because 1 is not a prime number or a composite number. Okay, next take that 128. Okay, so factor tree method for this number 128 comes in 2 table. How many times? Number 64. 64 into 2 we get the number 128. Okay, how will you find this number? 128 comes in 2 table. See, have one method, 128 divide by number 2. Okay, in 2 table 1 2 is 2, 6 twos are 12 and then 4 twos are 8. Okay, we get the answer 64. Okay, go to next. Again the number comes in 2 tables. So 64 divide by number 2 we get the answer is 64. Okay, take this 64 divide by number 2. 1 2 is 2, 3 twos are 6 and 2 twos are 4. So we get 32. Okay, like the way. So 32 comes in 2 table again. So 16 twos are 32. Okay, so next 16 also comes in 2 table. 8 twos are 16. 8 comes in 2 table. So 2 fours are 8. Next 4, 2 twos are 4. Okay, so we stop it here. So these are the factors of the number 128. How many twos are coming? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so therefore you take and write the number like that. Okay, so next go to the division method. So division method also the same, 128 first we take and take 2 table. 64s are 64 into 2s are 128. Okay, so next again take 2 table. 32 into 2 we get number 64. Next 32 comes in 2 table also. So take 2 table. 16 twos are 32. So next 8 twos are 16. Next we take the number 4 twos are 8. Next 2 twos are 4. So finally we take the table 2. 1 2 is 2. So finally we get the factors are how many times are coming? 7 times. Okay, the 2 comes at 7 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so go to the question number 3. Okay, 144. Okay, 144. First we take the factor tree method. 144. Okay, comes in 2 table. So how many times? 72 into 2 we get the number 144. Next 72 comes in 2 table at 36. Okay, 36 into 2 we get 72. So 36 comes in 2 table. Okay, 18 twos are 36. 18 comes in 2 table, 9 twos are 18. So next 9 comes in 3 table, 3 threes are 9. Okay, we stop it here. So these are the factors for the number 144. Okay, so again we take the number for in division method as the same. Okay, so see and refer. Okay, next fourth question, 198 factor tree method. So see, first 198 comes in 2 table. 99 into 2 we get 198. How? See this, 198 divided by number 2, 1 2 is 2. Okay, so here 9 twos are 18, balance 1, so the 1 comes in change into 18. Okay, so 18 again 9 twos are 18, so we get 99. Okay, next 99 comes in 3 tables, so 33 into 3 we get 99. So 33 comes in 3 table also, 11 3s are 33. So 11 is a prime number, so we stop it here. So these are the factors of number 198. Go to the next division method, also the same. Okay, so go to next question, 420. Okay, first we take that factor tree method. 420 comes in 2 table. Okay, so how many times? 420 divided by number 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 twos are 4, and 1 2 is 2, and have 1 0, so 210. Okay, so next again we take the 2 table, 105. Okay, 105 times we get number 210. So next the 105 comes in 3 table, 35 times. Okay, 35 into 3 we get number 105. So next 35 comes in 5 table, so 5 sevens are 35. So here 5 and 7 also the prime number, so we stop it here. These are the factors of number 420. Okay, so for division method also the same. Okay, so refer this. Okay, so go to the next 999, first factor tree method. 999 comes in 3 table, 333 into 3 we get 999. So next again 3 table we take 111. So next 111 also comes in 3 table, so 37 times. Okay, so how? See this, in divide by 3 table, 1 3 is 3. Here 3 3s are 9, balance 2, have 21. Okay, this number change into 21. 7 3s are 21, so we get 37. So 37 also the prime number, so we stop at here. So these are the factors of number 999. So for division method also the same, you take in the LCM method. Okay, so go to the next question, last one in this exercise. If there are 143 math book to be arranged in equal number in all the stacks, then find the number of books in each stack and also the number of stacks. Okay, so number of see this total number of books 143. So now we are going to factorize this number. 143 comes in 11th table. Okay, so 13 into 11 we get the number 143. 13 also a prime number, take the number 13 table, 113 is 13. Okay, so therefore the factors of 143 is 11 into 13. So the number of stack and the number of books in each stack may be 11 comma 13 or 13 comma 11. Okay, can you understand this question? Very easy and simple. Okay, so dear students, your today class is over. You need to write all these question answers in your classwork. Okay, complete up to 12th sum. You need to report us the be on time. Okay, so thank you children, have a nice day, see you, bye bye.